An Arro card payment that is not processing is usually caused by issues like account verification problems, card restrictions, incorrect payment details, or a problem with the merchant transaction. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons an Arro card payment fails and the steps to check before trying the payment again. Start by checking the basic payment details. Confirm that you entered the correct card information and that the payment amount is within your available spending limit. A simple error in the transaction details can prevent a payment from going through. Next, check whether your Arro card account is active and fully set up. Financial products may require verification before all features become available. If your account information is incomplete, some transactions may not process. Another common issue is a merchant side problem. Sometimes the card is working correctly, but the store's payment system has a temporary issue. Try the payment again later, or use another payment method to confirm whether the problem is with the card or the merchant. If your payment is declined online, check whether the website accepts the type of card you are using. Some online transactions may fail because of merchant restrictions or security checks. You should also review your account notifications. If Arro sends a message about a declined transaction, verification request, or account issue, that information can explain why the payment did not complete. If the payment problem continues, contact Arro's support through the official support channels. Provide details like the transaction date, merchant name, and the error message you received. This helps support identify the issue faster. Avoid repeatedly attempting the same failed payment without checking the cause. Multiple failed attempts may not fix the problem if the issue is related to verification, account status, or merchant processing. The fastest troubleshooting process is simple. Check your card details, confirm your account status, review any alerts, and verify whether the issue happens with one merchant or multiple transactions. To summarize, an Arro card payment failure can come from incorrect details, account setup issues, merchant problems, or transaction restrictions. Check the reason for the decline first, then take the step that matches the problem. Your next step is to review your Arro account notifications and confirm that your card information and account details are correct before trying the payment again. If this guide helped you fix a payment issue, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations about financial apps and cards.